Let me ask you something. 2 years, 3 years ago, you probably didn't even know what trading was, did you? So why do you expect that you'd wake up one day and just suddenly make $1 million? No, I mean, seriously, think about how insane that sounds. Think about it. Like if somebody told you that they wanted to become like a professional chef or something, but refused to spend years learning how to cook, you would laugh to their face. 100%. You think, oh, you're delusional, right? If someone wanted to maybe bike or skate, but they quit every single time they fell, you literally think they're delusional. I mean, who does that? Who wants to play the guitar but doesn't take the time to learn? Who does that, right? But when it comes to trading, we expect mastery instantly. We expect to just sleep and then wake up and say, oh, I know everything about trading. I mean, you enter the market, think, oh, I'll figure it out, I'll figure it out as I go. I'll just catch one big move. I'll get lucky. I just need one good month. That's not ambition. That's greed disguised as confidence. I'm calling you out right now. You're greedy. Okay? Right? And here's the uncomfortable truth. If anyone is scamming you in the market, it's yourself. Point blank, period. You're scamming yourself for believing that patience doesn't apply to you. Every skill on earth demands time. Cooking, music, sports, engineering, anything you can imagine. Walking, you didn't just wake up and start walking, you practiced when you were a baby, right? You started with baby steps and then you started small and then every day for the rest of your life, you've been walking. But that was because you did it over and over and over again. That it seemed natural, okay? So you don't complain about any of those things. If you know any instrument, you don't complain about learning that, right? You wouldn't, right? You accept it. So why does trading feel so different? Is it because it shows you the money? It shows you potential before mastery, right? I don't know, right? I mean, that's kind of dangerous, I feel like. If you feel like you can do something, do it. Don't put a limit on yourself. But yeah, when it comes to trading, we just feel like, oh, this is a scam. I hate this so much. I mean, trading is the best thing in the world and can also be the worst thing, right? You can see profits early. You can see screenshots online. You'll see screenshots online. You'll see lifestyles, right? And your brain skips the process and goes straight to the reward. And that's not motivation. I'm telling you, that's entitlement. You feel entitled to that. And greed makes you focus on outcomes instead of skills. And so it makes you ask, how much can I make? Or, instead of saying, how good am I actually getting? You say, oh, how much can I make? You don't get paid for wanting more. You don't get paid for being greedy. You get paid for being consistent, for executing the setup 100% of the time, okay? The trader who survives isn't the one who's chasing money. It is the one who is obsessed with the skill. You need to eat, breathe, and live the charts, okay? It needs to be infused in your brain. Obsess over it. Love it to the point where you would do it even if you lost your memory, basically, right? Memorize it in your brain, in your muscles. Think of trading as a skill and then money is the side effects. Much like how playing the guitar is a skill, but the music is the outcome of that. You ask yourself, have I actually given this the time I'd give in a real skill? Or am I just impatient because the reward looks close? The market doesn't punish beginners, okay? It punishes greedy beginners. Slow down. Learn the craft. Respect the process. Because the moment you stop chasing money is the moment the market stops punishing.